In general, the best thing to do is, I said it before, is reading newspapers.
Reading is a must.
Daily.
Okay.
You should download the BBC app.
BBC app.
Do you have the BBC News app?
Yep.
Yeah. Check in every day. It's good for news as well, to see what's going on in the world. But it's a very good way, because it's usually shorter articles, it's on mobile phone format, so it's easily digestible. BBC app, reading articles, learning new words that are used in articles, in journalism. That's good. Reading books, watching series, watching film, and watching English TV shows. Yeah,
I think that's great, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Podcasts, radio,
Yeah.
anything really. There are so many ways. Yeah, absolutely. Or even you set yourself little challenges, daily challenges. You wake up in the morning and you set yourself a challenge. Today, I will order food. So you can say my daily challenge today is to order food in English over the phone.
That means making a call in English,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
That's the best way to
Or
talk
you can
with someone.
say, my challenge for tomorrow is asking for directions, one person.
Oh.
Yeah. Or you can say
Setting a challenge yourself.
Yeah, setting challenges, yeah. Or you can say, next day my challenge is to give someone a nice, polite compliment.
In English.
But a polite way, yeah, because you don't want to be creepy, you know? You could say, today my challenge is I'm going to give someone a compliment in a polite way. Because you're strangers, you don't know each other. So you're going to say, for example, I'm sorry, I don't want to interrupt you. I just wanted to say that you have a really nice smile. That's all. Have a lovely day. Bye. You go. That's it.
What if he or she misunderstands?
Sometimes happens. It depends how you say it.
It depends how we say.
You just say this, you say, that's all I wanted to say, have a lovely day. And then you leave.
Oh.
Yeah, so she doesn't think, oh my God, whatever. It can be a man as well. You can say, I really like your shirt. Something like that.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. It can be any challenge, really.
When it comes to reading, what would you recommend? Like books?
I would read proper books. Read a proper biography about someone you like, about a businessman you like, or businesswoman, for example. Or you read a story, or you read a theatre play, or, something like that. Yeah, if you hate reading, then don't read. Then listen. But I would still recommend everyone to do the daily or every 2 days reading the news.
Reading news?
Yes, because you learn so many new words in there. So many words.
But if they find some difficult words, then what to do? You stop reading and Google.
Google.
Stop reading and Google.
Google.
And move forward.
Unless you read. Maybe it's a word that you don't know, then you can write it down, but you don't stop. If you understand the full sentence, if you understand the sentence without checking the word, don't stop. Continue reading, because it will disrupt you.
Yeah.
You can check the word later.
Yeah.
If it's a word that you don't know and you don't understand, what are they talking about? Then you check, because then that means the word is crucial for understanding. If the word isn't crucial, any word, but you don't know it, you don't stop. Write it down and continue reading. And in the end, you check the words. This one I don't know, this one I don't know. Yeah? But if you see a sentence and it says one big word and you're like, what is this? I don't understand the sentence. I need to know this word to understand the sentence. Then you stop reading and you check first. Yeah.
Thank you for your advice.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome. What are you going to do now? Are you going to go home?
Let's wrap up for today, right?
Yeah. Let's
then-
wrap up. Yeah. Where are you going? Are you going home now?